Hello, 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 it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Kathy, Becky, and myself. For layout number 3, I am going to document these two older photographs of my mother and father-in-law, and I am creating a 12 by 12 album. This is going in my husband's dedicated albums. We're on album number 2, and I'm just basically like documenting his life. I am guessing that these photographs were taken in very early 1960, 61, maybe late 1958. There is no dates on the photograph. So anyway, that is the memory that I am documenting. And this is a scrap paper in my stash. And by the way, our entire theme for 2025 is to use your scraps and your stash of maybe unfinished kits for 2025. So this is from an older Close to My Heart collection, and it looks like this paper is 10 by 10. And then this strip here is 10 by 2. Doesn't mean that I won't trim it down some more. And then I do have a full 12 by 12 paper. Looks like I got some adhesive on it. And again, all 3 of these papers and this sticker sheet are an older collection from Close to My Heart. Then for some embellishments, let me get this out right here. We have a stencil, so I'm going to do some stenciling, and I'll show you the colors in a minute. And then I fussy cut from a large roll and wide roll of washi tape. And you can peel this back and it's sticky and it's clear. But you'll see me, it's kind of fussy to do. But it does peel back and it can go on your paper or on top of embellishments. I have one tag. I have these paper chipboard hearts. Doesn't look like it goes too well with this background paper, but it will go great with the 10 by 10 paper. And then I have that. So we'll slide that right over here. Not much embellishments, I know. And for some stenciling, I may use a little bit of both these colors, or a lot of the mist and a little bit of the pink, or I'll use equal combination, not really sure. As you can see, I have inked the edge using the mini distressed ink in Vintage Photo. All right, now we have this strip, and maybe we'll come over like that a little bit, and I'll use the little grid marks on the 10 by 10 pattern paper to keep it lined up. There you go. That's done. Not sure how I'm going to place the photographs. Line them up like that maybe. But I need to ink the edges along here. So we'll do that and get that out of the way. And again, I am using Tim Holtz Mini in Vintage Photo. So we're going to set these photographs aside. I'm going to get out the mist from Close to My Heart. I think I am going to use my little brush because I want it to have a very soft look. Just subtle and soft. That's the word I'm using. So we have a little bit going up along there. So let's bring the photographs in. And yes, a lot's going to be covered. I am thinking that I want to come back to the title because I am using clear washi tape. So my title can kind of go over the washi tape, right? Yeah. As you can see, I added those 2 washi tapes tucked under, one under these 2 photographs and then one layered on top of the pre-printed embellishment cluster here. And this just adds more texture and layering. Let's move on now to the title. I'm thinking Living the Dream, because I like how it's kind of scripted out. It's not boxy, where this, A Day to Remember, is also a great title, but it's very boxy, and I don't want it to be boxy. Same with Sweet Memories. It's boxy, and I could dress it up, but let's just go with this right now. Let's see how this is gonna look. Now, that's covering up all my embellishments, so that's a no-go. I don't like that. That's covering up all that camera area, which isn't bad. I don't think that's bad. We could even go this route to keep that diagonally across look. We could overlap here. I am liking this placement right here. I added another bird sticker or washi tape sticker here rather than using this one that I originally pulled out. So I placed that one there. Next, I want to use these paperboard embellishments. And I'm thinking about putting the hearts right there like that, basically. And I thought about putting this piece right there, but I felt like it was too crowded. You need some open space. And I'm going to journal eventually. So how about if we place it over there? We can place it like that. Or we can place it this direction. And I like that. Okay, I want to add something right here because I feel like your eye is drawing right here because it's lighter color than where my father-in-law is sitting. And I think it will be a-okay to overlap on that photo. And I'm going to ink with the vintage photo and see how that kind of stops your eye from looking at that bright spot. Okay, I added those close to my heart gems. All right, until next time, get out your scrappy supplies, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And we'll see you soon. Bye.